Access data in package subdirectory. I am writing a Python package with modules that need to open data files in a ./data/subdirectory. Right now I have the paths to the files hard-coded into my classes and functions. I would like to write more robust code that can access the subdirectory regardless of where it is installed on the user's system. I've tried a variety of methods, but so far I have had no luck. It seems that most of the current directory commands return the directory of the system's Python interpreter, and not the directory of the module. This seems like it ought to be a trivial, common problem. Yet I can't seem to figure it out. Part of the problem is that my data files are not .py files, so I can't use import functions and the like. Any suggestions? Right now my package directory looks like. I am trying to access data.txt from module.py.
You can use _file_ to get the path to the package, like this.
The standard way to do this is with setup tools packages in pkg_resources. You can lay out your package according to the following hierarchy, and configure the package setup file to point at your data resources, as per this link. This URL. You can then refine and use those files using pkg_resources, as per this link. This URL.
There is often not point in making an answer that details code that does not work as is, but I believe this to be an exception. Python 3.7 added importlib.resources that is supposed to replace pkg_resources. It will work for accessing files within packages that do not have slashes in their names, i.e. you could access data2.txt inside package foo with, for example. But it would fail with an exception for. This cannot be fixed except by placing _ in an _.py in data and then using it as a package. The reason for this behavior is it is by design, but the design might change.
To provide a solution working today, definitely use this API to not reinvent all those wheels. A true file system file name is needed. Zipped eggs will be extracted to a cached directory. Return a readable file-like object for the specified resource. It may be an actual file, a string, or some similar object. The stream is in binary mode, in the sense that whatever bytes are in the resource will be read as is. Package discovery and resource access using pkg_resources. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.